we're in the PM session and we're coming towards this level. So remember, when I'm marking out my trades, there's typically three things I look for. Only three things. We want to look for an M15 fair value gap or a demand to supply flip zone. We're looking for that fair value gap. That's very important. Then I want to see a lower time frame entry, either the 5 minute or the 1 minute. And then the most important thing is the order flow. So what happens is many traders don't quite understand what makes a top fair value gap. So we've been over it in terms of liquidity and in terms of supply and demand, right? You're waiting and you're being patient for the 1 minute or the 5 minute to enter, ideally above the 10 a.m. Eastern. Now, the order flow is why so many traders mess up, and we're going to be going over this in a lot of detail, right? But let's just break things down in terms of our step two. So step two, we want to see price enter on the 15-minute time frame. Sorry, on the 5-minute time frame, right? This is a 5-minute time frame, 5-minute chart. So what we're seeing is we're seeing price struggle to break higher. This is where the order flow becomes very, very handy, because we are going to be reading this in terms of the buyers and the sellers. Let's go down to the 5-minute time frame. So on the 5-minute time frame, if we just kind of bring this up, we are going to be dissecting price action in this region. And it's very interesting because it's the same exact price action. But when we break this down in terms of the buyers and the sellers, what do we see, right? I want traders to look very, very specifically, because it's only one candle which gave this away. It's this candle over here, right? We also had this candle over here. In fact, let's start with this candle. When we look at this candle carefully, it's really just a red candle, right? But we don't see the intricate details going on behind, right?